severe thunderstorm was located
Here
over
we go.
Oregon, 14 miles northwest of Murfreesboro, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and any size hail.
Lincoln, come on.
Source,
Where
radar
is it?
indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof.
Oh my God, where is it?
Entries. Location.
Where is that EAS?
Gallatin, Lebanon, Hendersonville, Smyrna, La Verne, Mount Juliet, Williamsville,
Oh, there is it there.
The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison County in north central Alabama, northeastern Winston County in north central Alabama, southern Lincoln County in middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. It's 4:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I'm sorry, sir. Please bear with me. I'm having problems putting you out. Say again, call back twice.
It's 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Fayetteville,
I
Hazel
did
Green,
copy that
Ardmore,
time. I got
Lincoln,
Kilo
Elkwood,
Mike
Elmira,
4 Juliet
Sweetland,
gone.
Holland, Jim, Blanche, and
Yes,
cold
sir.
water. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Limestone and Madison, and Lincoln, Tennessee.
Okay, very good, sir. Very difficult to pull you out, but I